Hello there, this is Nick from TSPROF. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to level the synthetic sharpening stones. Let's get into it. So today we will need a tempered glass, a set of silicon carbide powder and some water. So first, what is the stone leveling made for? Basically, first of all, if it's a new stone or it has never been used before, we always recommend preparing for work, or in other words, waking it up. Why do that? Because synthetic stones are baked in the oven, and when you open up a set of stones and then take a new one, it has a crust. So the abrasiveness of such stone is very low. So we need to remove the upper layer with the crust, and this way the abrasive grains will be on the surface of the stone, and then this will work on all 100. So to prepare a new stone, just move it randomly on the plane like so, about 1-2 minutes. There is no need to add any powder, just water will be enough. Or you can also draw some net and move a stone until the net disappears. Secondly, over time, it's in the states of nature, during use stones will form an accurate curve. So they must be leveled, otherwise you will get incorrect angle and lands on the secondary bevel. Now how to choose the grain powder. You can use any powder based on silicon carbide. However, we don't recommend using different powders in the same glass. So which grain do we take for stone? As a rule, it's supposed to be at least 2 times less than stone's grittiness we're going to level, or it can be an approximate number to this. For example, this stone grittiness is 312, so I'll take 80 grit powder because it is the closest value. Why can't we use powder of the same grittiness? Because it may penetrate the stones and contaminate them. Let's proceed. Let's apply a shape of a net on the abrasive stone in order to control the leveling result. Then put some powder on the glass and add some water. I think this will be enough. Start leveling. If it's a stone which is used with oil, some powder grains can stick to the stone and it's not really convenient for leveling such stone. So we recommend adding some liquid soap as well. So it started leveling, but there are still some curves, so let's keep leveling. Keep the suspension wet. Actually, it's always nice when you hold the stone from both sides, because it helps you control the leveling process, so it makes more convenient, and at the same time it allows you to level the stone evenly on both sides. Actually, it doesn't really matter what direction you go or what kind of movements you do with the stone. So I'm just doing this in the chaotic manner. If you understand that you know, the suspension is out or it doesn't really work, so you can feel free to add some powder again and water. So let's do this. So now, as you can see, there is oil cast appeared on the stone. So, and this is because we didn't add liquid soap. So, and that's why. So you get I really recommend using that because it helps you avoid this soapy cast. So just to make sure, let's draw some net again. And check it out. So as you can see, the net has completely disappeared. So now it looks straight. Well done. And so when leveling, there are chamfers appear on sides, so right here or here. So we need to smooth them. What for? Because it's easier to get chips on stones, and we also can damage the cutting edge with them. So the stone is completely leveled. That's it. If it was helpful to you, put your likes below, and of course, leave your questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to shoot another video for you. So take care and stay sharp.